I saw on Facebook that somebody was selling one of those hand digger, the little kids play with, and it's a scooper or like a backhoe kind of thing. They dig and they pick up the soil, pick up the dirt, and then drop it. Well, I was like, she wanted 15 for it, and I'm like, would you take 10? And they're like, yeah, sure. So I'm like, all right. So I go and get it, and well, it's in pieces because I can make it better. Um, so here's the scoop part. I think I'm gonna actually take measurements and make a design and actually build these. I think I could build this. I really do. So here's the scoop, and it mounts to the seat. But the thing is it didn't turn. It was literally welded in place, and it does not turn at all. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna use this as a bushing, and I gotta grind it out a little bit, and weld that in there, and then put this with a little bit of grease and put that in there. It's a little big, but that's the best I got, so it's just gonna have to work. And then I'm gonna probably weld the bottom, or no, I don't know how I'm gonna keep it in there. Maybe a cotter key, I don't know, or weld a washer onto the bottom. That might work, or on the top actually, both. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll get a washer, 2 washers. Yeah, okay. So I got that figured out, and then like I said, I'll weld the bushing in place and put it in there and maybe paint it. And obviously I'm gonna take all the measurements down, and I think I'm gonna try and build one. The lady told me that when she threw this up online, I was the first one to respond. I just happened to be on Facebook when she posted it, at the exact moment. And I was like, immediately, I'm like, yeah, I'll take it, and she said that she had over 50 people ask for it in like 10 minutes or whatever. And so that tells me that there's a demand. So why not, right? Let's give it a try. I think I can make some real money off of these. Plus, well, the thing that's going to be the hardest is the bucket, I think. I mean, I could cut it out individually and then weld it together. Like this one looks like it's just barely tacked. It's just fitted. And another thing is I want to strengthen this. This is so flimsy. Okay, so I pretty much, I welded this in, but it is really badly welded. I kept burning through this and this, but it holds because I've been forcing this through, because where I burned through, there's welds on the inside, and I've just been beating the shit out of it. And this is holding up pretty well, so I'm thinking about cutting it in half. I don't know yet. But I got the washer on here, and I'm going to slip this through. And I'll put the bottom washer on and weld that on there. And then weld the top washer. Ooh. Yeah, see what I mean? That bushing's too long. Alright, just cut that off. See, perfect. Alright, there's the washer. Stay. So this one goes up here. Stick it through. And this one goes like that. I'll weld that on the bottom here. It looks like maybe even still a little bit too long yet. I have to trim it down another 1/8 of an inch. The bushing, I mean. There we go. That's where I want to be. Okay, so now comes the fun part. hard. Gobs here. Fuck. Sucks. Oh my god, this weld sucks so bad. So bad. Yeah, I think that'll hold. I hope. You know what? I gotta do the inside too. I forgot. Maybe just spot more a couple spots. Alright, there it is. It's not the greatest. It's a little... Well, it's not that bad. A little bit of play in there, but it's for a 3-year-old. So I'll go take it out by the sandbox and see if it works or not. Stand on it. Yeah, it worked. I wish I would have had one of these when I was a kid. Yeah. turn it. Oh yeah. That should be good enough. It's not great, but if it had actual bearings in it, then maybe. But right now, it's as good as I can do. Well, Ezzy likes it. He don't give a rat's ass what I did. But it works, right? It turns. Yeah. Put it in the bucket.
I can't. It doesn't reach that far. I have to put it like right there. No, right there.
I wonder how much that thing cost. Brand new. Hey, nice. Do it again. Oh, oh. Hey, look at what Ezzy can do.
You should be able to do that, Jack. You try.
You gotta sit on it.
I'm too big to sit on it, so you have to sit on it. I know.
Jack, sit on it. Oh my God.
You're gonna tip the bucket a little bit.
Maybe it would be better without the seat.
Yeah. Kind of like the one at the
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. No, don't cheat now. He moves the bucket. You are such a little cheater. Uh-oh. What are you doing?
Don't let him do that.
Shut up. You're a weird kid. Yeah.